4:30 to 4:30. What is your onboard time?
5:30.
Most of you are probably going to go back to the ship and have your meal there, but if anyone wants to be dropped, I will go in with the voucher. I'm pretty sure someone's going to come in and greet you, okay?
A cooler climate, okay, so sort of Germanic, 25-30 minutes, half hour of the, so that's a much colder at the vines that they come on. So a lot of the...
Yeah, this one here. No, you're good. You seem to swim on the spin.
Chạy đi, thích đi mấy cái tour này.
Yeah, there's free for you.
Perfect.
Great.
Đường sau của này bây giờ người phát triển ở đây.
I'm not doing too bad on time. It's all about the building. The Federal Parliament building. William and Catherine were here. We got 1,000 people to greet him, including then Prime Minister. The big dome. That is Captain George Vantage. Very close earlier. You had another sense of Harbour plane taxiing out. 1924, Canadian Pacific Railway steamship building, all by the same man, France.
Qua Capitol đi.
Đi ngược kìa đây. Về giấy tờ của ba với má là mỗi người
Đi hướng này có phố này. Này ông chị ông thử coi nè. Scotland á.
Very beautiful. She wear very nice clothes. She's such a nice.
Đây, nó này. Thì qua kia.
Sau tới đây thì chỉ có ăn uống với lại đi.
First Nations Longhouse and right. If you notice this big tower here on the left, city of the province of British Columbia, so all the politics, white one. And on the right as well, it's the location of an international date. Mr. Pendray had a soap factory. Pendray was left with the family business, were known as the Lever Brothers. And to this day, and some of the homes reminding you of some places and possible upgrades on the inside, such as plumbing and electricity, and float shops in a place of law stating that your exterior. Now, if we're very proud of his accomplishments here. They are in charge of surveying, situated here on the Pacific coast in Hawaii. Take just that one look. Many of you that are first responders or
this young the house on the right. Yeah.